So this might be obvious to all of you, but it wasn't to me, and I spent a long time looking online for the answer. But I'm trying to hook up a portable dishwasher to a garden hose spigot. This is a SPT dishwasher, but I think a lot of like the cheapy portable ones have all the same hookup. So this has the discharge hose and the intake one, and they're together, with the intake being on top and the discharge being on bottom. And it'll probably have come with one of these adapters. If not, you can get this on Amazon. And the trick is this has threads on the outside that are, I forget the normal like bathroom, kitchen, sink thread type, but those can replace your aerator container, so you can hook this up to your kitchen sink. But also on the inside of this, there are 55 over 64 threads, which will, when you get the right adapter, you can connect to it. So I had to buy this one adapter for the hose, and I just got this at Home Depot, and this is a faucet adapter. My hose is it's a male spigot, but you might have the female one, but you could buy the other one. This is a female 3/4 inch hose to the male 55 over 64 thread. And you can see the part number is right there. It's 589483. And basically what you do is take this part, screw it onto there, then take your quick connect adapter, and this is the inside threads will go over this. So you can see that connects like that. And then I'm gonna put the phone down for just a second to attach my quick connect hose there, and then turn the water on. Leaks a little bit, but that's okay. It's not much, as you can see. If you wanted to, you could fix that. But yeah, and that works fine. Hope this helps you.